No.
Is it made of plastic?
No. No.
Is it made of rocks?
No.
Is it growable? No,
No.
it's not live, right? It's not live?
Maybe. Life.
Do you see it in the house?
No.
Yeah. You see the house. Yes. Yes. Sometimes it's in the kitchen.
Is it in the bathroom?
Yes.
Can it be on TV?
Yes or no?
Yes.
Can it sit on the floor?
No.
Okay, does it hang on the wall?
Yes.
Broom?
No. Come on. Say something.
Is it,
Talo na.
is it made out of glass?
Yes. Yes.
Is it,
Ding.
a vase?
No.
Ding, ding.
It hangs down the wall?
Yes. No. Maybe. No. Maybe. No.
Can it be near a TV?
Yes.
Yes. Hey. No.
Glass window, mirrors. Does it
Ding.
Ding. Does this have?
Oh my God! Look in the mirror. Look in the mirror.
That doesn't work.
Look upstairs.
No,
you're eliminated. Come on.
Bathroom.
No.
What hangs on the wall? No. Glass.
It's glass. Stop.
Yes.
Yes.
It's glass. It's
Wait. Talo na. No.
Okay.
Wow.
Picture? Is it a picture?
Maybe sometime.
Is it a picture?
Yes.
Picture frame.
No.
It's glass hangs on the wall. Chandelier.
No. Close. Maybe. He got it.
No. He has to get the whole word.
Ano sabi niya?
Light.
No, you have to.
Lamp?
No.
Light bulb.
Yes.
Tanti mo ako. 284.
Huh?
238.
Okay. See?
Okay, good. How's it plastic?
Yeah, it can be plastic.
It said plastic. Someone said baby.
No, it can be plastic.
Let's see. No, it can be plastic.
It can be plastic. Ika, meron tayo ano ba yun?
What?
Cover lang.
Ayan, si Jay. Okay, let's see, Jingloy. Let's see. Ay, si Kita, Jerry.
Okay, pick one card. Don't show it.
Okay.
Okay. Ano na yung team niya?
Joseph, team ka namin. Dito.
Oh, Jingoy, Jenrick, Joseph, Joey,
Okay, start.
Joshua,
Ay,
Joe.
JT, hindi ka dyan.
Entiaro.
No joke, ha? Asaro ka. One.
One. Okay. The time starts now.
Does it grow?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Is it green?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Christmas tree.
What?
Maybe.
Huh?
Maybe.
The pine tree.
Maybe.
Is an evergreen.
Maybe.
What? Does it grow in the winter?
Yeah. No.
Maybe.
Does it have more than one color? Oh,
What? You said green already.
does it have red?
Maybe. It can be. Maybe.
No.
Shut up.
Hey, you guys messed me up.
Can you decorate it?
No.
Yes. Maybe.
No.
Yes.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe
Is it
lang.
a wreath?
No. I mean yes.
Maybe.
Yes. Shut up.
Hindi mo katinyan, Jingloy.
Maybe.
Saan? Dali.
Can you buy that?
Thumbs up.
Yeah, maybe. Yes. Maybe.
You can buy it at Pathmark.
Baby, go, te. JT,
Can you eat it?
Yes.
Yes, you can!
Yes, maybe.
So bad!
No.
Don't listen to them. Don't listen to them.
Okay, so it's green.
No.
What?
It's green, you can decorate it. You can
Yes.
eat it. Maybe.
Yes, you can blow it. Yeah.
Kinakain nyo, pero isipin nyo.
You can decorate it. Jingoy. Yes.
What's the time?
Maybe.
2 minutes.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Huh?
Is it a missile?
No.
No.
Maybe.
You said green, right?
Yeah. Green?
Yes.
Is it seasonal?
Huh?
Is it seasonal?
Yes.
No.
Kind of.
Maybe.
It grows.
Stop!
Oh, point out.
He
No, he said that already. He said that already.
Maybe.
Hala, ano ba?
10,
Oo nga eh.
9, 8.
Shit!
Keep going.
Joseph, you're in my team.
Time. Not yet.
32.
Alright, stop.
Hey!
Just to say words,
Come
Jingoy.
Is it small?
Yeah.
No.
Maybe. Stop.
Again, small. 15 minutes.
Is it lettuce?
No.
What kind of lettuce grow on a tree?
Pine
tree? No.
5 seconds.
4, 3, 2, 1. Sorry, Gia.
Okay, Joy, let's go.
Yeah, you got it. Yeah,
Next.
agree.
It's just lettuce. It's like baby. What is this?
Joseph H.
Joseph, let's go back. Joseph, Joseph, Jenrick,
Okay, wala si Joseph H.
Kakalabas na ako.
Okay.
Okay, Joy, let's see Joy.
Okay, JT, Joseph
Okay.
H, Rose, you, Joy, Jaward, Jenrick.
Katiin ba kita?
Jenrick.
Silip ako.
Pick
Jingoy.
1 card.
Joy.
Wag yan. Wag yan.
Ay, dalawa.
Teka, lalagyan ko nga ng box.
Ba, nakikita niya, oh, daba mo. Naku, baka nakita niya na yung mga words mo.
Dami-daming words na yan. Okay, go. That one?
Where's Joey?
This one?
Okay, where's my team? Wala na my team. Yeah, 1, 2, 3,
Okay.
4. We're only 4.
Okay. Yeah, you guys have time.
We're 6.
Start. Bananas. Now.
No.
Yes.
No.
Oh, hey,
Yes. No.
No.
Bagay.
Huwag ka nasasali.
Kalaban natin sila. Hindi bagay, hindi hayop. No.
Ang ganda-ganda talaga ni Joy. Ang ganda-ganda ni Joy.
No.
Ang ganda-ganda ni Joy.
Ano ba?
Manang-mana kay Ate Yoli. Hoy! Manang-mana kay Ate Yoli. Manang-mana kay Ate Yoli. Yuhu. Ang ganda-ganda ni Joy. Tamang-mana kay Ate Yoli.
Wala na.
Time.
You can eat it.
Come on.
1:49.
Hey.
Last 2
9.
minutes.
8.
No, Joy, no. Say something. No, say something.
7.
Oh,
6. He's not your Steve.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Eliminated na.
No. Apple. No. Yes. Orange. Yes.
Yes. No. Yes.
Henry!
Jenrick, your turn.
Pag di pa mas malapit.
Jenrick, your turn.
Kahit,
Where?
dapat nga, hindi kayo masyadong kasabi ng
Henry!
Kasi mali nito lang lalo yun.
Ba?
Henry!